Hello everyone, Mog here, and today I'm going to be picking the Avis Plus 8840. As you can see, key works as you would expect. Going to be picking with just a slightly modified Sparrows disc detainer pick, although the modifications are for anchor loss and really don't have anything to do with picking this lock. With that, let's get started. Gonna start by spinning all the discs as far clockwise as they'll go. Tensioning off of the butterfly disc for now. I'm not gonna mess too much with the last, so I know second last disc is max or zero cut, can be one we tension off of, so I'm just going to set the last butterfly to match that. Looks about right. Seems reasonable for now for that one. Maybe 7, 6 here. Pretty sure it's another max cut. Should be good. Okay, got. Oh, did I slip off it, or is that good? Okay, that seems pretty reasonable. That feels alright for the next one. There's another. That was a bit of a stretch, but worth a try, right? Okay, oh yeah, we missed this one, I think. Oh, let's see. Okay, got some more, feeling alright. Still not done yet though. Go back to the bottom here. Last couple still seem good. Okay, that one was not quite right. I think we got it now. Still missing something though. Yeah, that seems reasonable for that guy. That one definitely seems set. I think at least, I don't know, the feedback on this lock is absolute ass. Oh, that felt good. Let's try again. No, not quite. Give this another try. Nope. Okay, butterfly disc, we're not going to get much out of that, but it seems to be in the right place relative to the zero cut. That one feels reasonable. Nope, not quite. Just slipped off. Darn. Okay, butterfly disc at the back. I have no idea if that one's set correctly, honestly. Let's try going back from the top here. I think that one's alright. That one seems as good as it's gonna get. That one is a max cut and also seems reasonable. Move the butterfly disc back just a little, but I guess it's not the one that's causing us trouble. Oh, felt a little bit of movement on that one. Hey, there we go. Well, it took a little longer than I hoped, but we are open. There you have it. So I'll lock this back up and give it a cut. Okay. Locked back up. Key still working like you'd expect. Let's see here. It's been a little while since I gutted one of these guys, but how hard can it be, right? I've already taken the retaining screw out. Okay, so I guess we'll go kind of reading order here with these discs. So we got our spinner. We've got a butterfly disc at the front. Disc number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there's one more butterfly at the back here, and there's 9. And then that's the last of it, I believe. Got our sidebar and our carriage, or whatever you want to call this thing. But yeah, there we go. So nothing left in there. Oops, there. Okay. So yeah, as you can hopefully see, we've got our sidebar groove. Probably easier this way. Sidebar groove. And got the housing with the I don't know what you call this exactly. I guess the rotation limiter for the discs, and the sidebar slot, and a crap ton of grease. Got our sidebar here, which, as you can see, is the appropriate size for the carriage. And then here are the discs. So butterfly discs are both, I don't know, kind of hard to see on the black background, but they're both like max or 0 cuts. Oops. Focus. There we go. That's the front one. This is the back one. No false gates on the butterfly discs. Then I think the rest of these should show up alright because they're not black. So we've got a max cut on one, pretty low cuts on. So yeah, oops. Or rather, not a max cut. 0 cut on one, pretty high cut on 2 and 3, min cut on 4, max cut on 5, high cut on 6. Wait, missed. Oh yeah. So that's actually 7. I've been off by 1 because I wasn't counting the butterfly disc. And then another max cut on 8, and of course the butterfly, and then all of our spacers. Oh, this lock has been annoying me for so long. I'm so happy to finally have it on video and never touch it again. I freaking hate these locks. It's aside from having, oh, forgot about that. Whoa. Yeah, I find it so hard to get feedback on these guys relative to, I don't know, like even an Abloy Classic, the feedback is crystal clear in my experience, even with a shitty tool. Here I'm using a great tool, and I don't know, I don't understand this lock even still, even if I can pick it. I'm getting a little bit better now, but the feedback is so small. But in any case, there you have it. Abus Plus 8840, picked and gutted. If you took the time to watch, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.